You feel tired all the time, but you keep pushing through. You think it's normal, or you blame stress, workload, or lack of sleep. But deep inside, your body is sending you a quiet warning. Low iron is one of the most common deficiencies in the world, and most people ignore the signs because they seem normal or unimportant. Iron is not just a mineral, it's the fuel your body uses to carry oxygen through your blood. Without enough iron, your cells don't get enough oxygen, and your body struggles to perform even simple tasks. This is why low iron can make you feel weak, slow, and constantly exhausted. One of the most common symptoms is constant fatigue. You may feel tired even after sleeping for hours. Your energy levels drop, and everyday activities become heavy and difficult. Many people think this is just life, but it could be iron deficiency. Another sign is pale skin and pale lips. When iron is low, the blood carries less oxygen, which makes your skin look pale or washed out. You may notice your inner eyelids or nail beds are lighter than usual. Shortness of breath is also common. When your body doesn't have enough iron, it can't deliver oxygen efficiently, so your breathing becomes faster and harder, especially during exercise or climbing stairs. Some people experience headaches or dizziness because the brain is not getting enough oxygen. This can happen suddenly or gradually, and many people ignore it because it comes and goes. Cold hands and feet are another sign. When your body is low on iron, it struggles to maintain normal circulation and temperature, making your extremities feel cold all the time. Iron deficiency can also affect your mental health. You may feel low, irritable, or unable to concentrate. Brain fog is common because the brain is not receiving enough oxygen and nutrients. These signs often appear slowly, so you may not notice them until the deficiency becomes serious. But once you understand the symptoms, you can catch it early and correct it naturally. Now, let's explore more hidden signs of low iron that many people overlook, and why iron deficiency happens even when you think you're eating healthy. One common sign is weak or brittle nails. When iron is low, your body prioritizes oxygen for vital organs, and your nails don't get enough nutrients. This causes nails to become thin, weak, or even develop small ridges. Some people also notice a spoon-shaped nail, where the nail curves upward like a spoon. Another hidden symptom is unusual cravings, especially for non-food items like ice, clay, or chalk. This condition is called pica, and it is a strong indicator of iron deficiency. These cravings happen because your body is trying to compensate for the lack of minerals. You may also notice frequent infections. Iron is essential for a strong immune system. When iron levels drop, your body becomes more vulnerable to colds, flu, and other infections. You may feel sick more often and take longer to recover. Restless leg syndrome is another sign. People with low iron often experience uncomfortable sensations in their legs at night, causing them to move constantly. This disrupts sleep and increases fatigue. Iron deficiency can also affect your hair and skin. You may notice hair thinning or excessive hair fall. Your skin may become dry, rough, or more sensitive. These signs occur because your body is not getting enough oxygen and nutrients to support healthy hair growth. Now, let's talk about why iron deficiency happens. One major reason is low iron intake. Even if you eat regularly, you may not be consuming enough iron-rich foods like red meat, beans, lentils, spinach, and eggs. Another reason is poor iron absorption, which can happen due to digestive issues, low stomach acid, or conditions like celiac disease or IBS. Women are more prone to iron deficiency due to heavy periods, pregnancy, and breastfeeding. Frequent blood loss, even if it seems normal, can slowly drain iron stores. Another common cause is poor nutrition combined with high demand, especially for athletes or people who exercise heavily. When your body works hard, it uses more iron, and if you don't replenish it, deficiency can develop. Now, let's talk about natural solutions to fix low iron and bring your energy back. The goal is to increase iron intake, improve absorption, and support your body's ability to use iron properly. First, include iron-rich foods in your daily diet. Red meat, chicken, fish, eggs, beans, lentils, spinach, and pumpkin seeds are excellent sources. If you are vegetarian or vegan, focus on beans, lentils, tofu, spinach, and fortified cereals. Second, improve iron absorption. Iron from animal foods, heme iron, is absorbed better than plant iron, non-heme iron. To increase absorption, eat vitamin C-rich foods like oranges, lemon, strawberries, or bell peppers with your meals. Vitamin C helps your body absorb iron more effectively. Avoid drinking tea or coffee with meals because they contain compounds that block iron absorption. Instead, drink them between meals. Third, support your gut health. If your digestion is weak, your body can't absorb iron properly. Eat foods that support digestion like yogurt, kefir, and fiber-rich vegetables. If you suspect digestive issues, consult a doctor because conditions like celiac disease or IBS can reduce iron absorption. Fourth, consider iron supplements if needed. Supplements can be helpful, but they should be taken under medical guidance because too much iron can be harmful. A doctor can test your iron levels and recommend the right dose. Fifth, reduce blood loss if possible. Women with heavy periods should consult a doctor to manage the condition. If you notice heavy bleeding or frequent dizziness, don't ignore it. Lastly, support your body with rest, sleep, and stress control. Stress and lack of sleep reduce your body's ability to absorb nutrients and recover properly. When your body is calm, iron levels restore more effectively. Low iron is not something to ignore. It affects your energy, mood, and overall health. When you fix it, you feel more energetic, clear-headed, and alive again. Low iron is one of the most common deficiencies, yet most people ignore its symptoms because they feel normal. But fatigue, pale skin, shortness of breath, weak nails, hair fall, frequent infections, And restless legs are not just small issues, they are signals that your body is not getting enough oxygen and nutrients. The good news is that low iron is treatable and often reversible with the right approach. By eating iron-rich foods, improving absorption with vitamin C, supporting gut health, managing blood loss, and getting proper rest, you can restore your iron levels and bring your energy back. Your body is trying to tell you something. When you listen and respond, you can change your health completely. Don't ignore the signs, fix the root cause, and you'll feel stronger, healthier, and more alive.